I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing a new product. It's a spacer kit that allows you to mount your Hercules 12-inch sliding miter saw by Harbor Freight to the DeWalt miter saw stand. This happens to be the DWX723. There'll be a link to this description of this product, the spacer kit, the Hercules saw, and the stand in the description below. Here's our kit right here. In this kit, you're going to get 4 bolts, 4 washers, 4 spacers, and 4 nuts. These spacers are necessary because the Harbor Freight saw doesn't have good support on the underside, and it actually recesses up, and this recess covers that depth that's necessary, and you can bolt this on this stand. Here, I'll let the camera guy take a look at one of these recesses. This goes up in the stand right here. They have this recess hex bolt or hex nut right here. This allows for this clearance, so this kit will make it possible to mount this saw to this stand. We're making it easier here at Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you very much.